shop in Paul Hill and Sibinox because I'm craving to buy a pork belly because doon they have a fresh pork. I mean, we call the butcher here, but sa atin is merkado yun. Pero but is a shop and is a little bit expensive shop. Now, papakita ko sa inyo dito where around. Good morning, everyone. We are what time is here now? It's 11 o'clock in the morning, but the weather is too bad. It's gray and windy. So now we're heading. It's about, I think, is it 20 minutes by car? Another 10 minutes we will be arrived there. I will take you to the shops, therefore you can see what kind of stuffs they're selling. Now look, if you see the trees, yeah, if you see the trees, is they are all sleeping, but some of them, the buds is coming through. Maybe they think it's springtime now, but if you look at them, it looks like they are dead. But no, when the summer's up and spring, they looks very nice. Some of the trees has flowers, and it's very, very good. This how the weather in England. So, see you guys. I will take you to the place later. Bye. Just have that one.
He said, would you like one of these on special? Upright. Steak bake.
Yes, thank you.
Are you okay, sir?
All right. I will get some sausages.
Did you?
I'm going to lunch. Thank you. Can I have some sausages? Oh, sorry. No. I'll get you though. Yes, please. They go in the freezer, will they? Can you freeze the sausages? Lovely, thank you. Yes, sir. Bacons. Second one. What are they?
3 for 10.
Do you want one of these?
It's a salted one, isn't it?
I don't know if they're salted. No, no.
I think.
Are these salted?
Oh no, I don't want salted.
All of them, oh yeah. Yeah, well you normally boil them to get the salt out. Thank you. Yeah, thank you.
This is ang ganda, oh. Yeah, we will.
How many you want?
Oh, the big one, please.
Which one do you want?
How much is this? Three
Three
for
for a
one. Yeah, three only. I will choose. Yeah, hadad ko sa mga laking potato nila. Hindi mo ito maubos, guys, ng isang potato. 3 for 2. Is it? Yeah, 3 for a pound, but
Yeah,
it's
you want
only
another
2.
one? I can't put
Yeah,
any
but
more
there's
in.
only
Just
2.
give me another one.
Alright. I want the shiny one. No, this one. Let's see. Three no, one. Kadad ko. Ang laki. Ito is baby potato. Potato siya. Farmer's potato. Darling, it's not necessary to buy now. It's not necessary to buy egg now. Just leave it because
They're fresh. Say in English.
I said it's not necessary to buy an egg now because it's be expensive. We can
Oh
buy
no,
the one
they're
in
fresh
Asda.
ones. I'll get some fresh ones.
Yeah, it's up to you. How much is this? 1 pound? 39 in one packet? Biscuit. Yeah. Daming oranges. It's 3 for 150. This one. Here. I don't know where they came from this. I think organic apple this one. 1 pound 99 per kilo. This shop is quite a bit dear. Look at the beautiful flower. Ganyan sila. Is this for hanging basket?
How much?
I don't know. Oh,
99.
I got 6 different kind of flowers for the hanging basket. I'm just. You do some video to me, please. Oh my lovely flowers. Yeah, I have that one. Fuchsias. We got lots of fuchsias.